Hi, you're welcome. Let's get straight to business. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to take beautiful and high quality pictures using your TikTok app without sharing with the public. Yes. Now, let's get started. So, open your TikTok app, click on the plus sign, then you click on photo and click on view all effects, that is filter. You can choose any filter of your choice. So you can see me changing the filter. It's called effect there. After that, the next step is to set the timer. You can set it to 3 seconds or 10 seconds. So you can see the arrow there. I set it on 3 seconds. After setting the timer, it will start counting down. This is it. Then you can do any style of your choice. Now you click on that arrow by the left side, you drag it down. If you click on it, it will the rest of the column there will be open. I don't know if I get that right. So you will now see post to story without watermark. So it has been posted to my story now. Now see that 3 dots down there, click on it. Then you will see download. You will download it. So you will click on that 3 dot again, you will see settings. Click on the settings and change it to only you. So that is it for the first step. It has been saved in my gallery now. Then the second step is this. Now I want to take another picture now. I'm changing the effect now. Then changing the effect now. And now I've set the timer. It has started counting down now. Now I've taken the pictures. So this one, I will just click on next. You see next down there? Click on next. Then before you will not see everyone can view this post. Click on that everyone that can view this post and change it to only you. Then you post it. It has been saved to my gallery automatically. Nobody can see it. You can see it now. This is it in my gallery. Nobody can see it but only me. That's it. So we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It won't take you anything, please. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so anytime I drop a new tutorial, a new tips, you will be the first to be notified. Thanks, bye.